Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now today's video, it's going to be a 2018 kind of like chit chat get ready with me for my natural like university natural makeup. I'm sorry I haven't been on YouTube for a while. My editing software kind of collapsed and my computer is really bad at the moment. My phone is dying. Just like all my technology is giving up on me, so that's really fun. I decided to do this makeup. I didn't want to do anything too glam, too like extravagant or anything like that. So yeah. So let's get on with the video. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the Urban Decay All Nighter. I look so red. This is actually not real. Like I don't look this red. Oh, sorry, this isn't even the Urban Decay All Nighter. This is a Too Faced Hangover primer thing, but the bottle broke, so I had to change it. So I'm actually just going to wait for that to settle in. Let's talk. I'm going to talk. This is going to be Get Ready With Me Natural Glam Makeup. Natural makeup, not glam, but glam. Oh, I'm just taking the soft ochre paint pot. I'm just going to put that on my eyes. So it's 2019, 2nd of Jan. I don't know when I'm going to post this, but hopefully it will be within 2019. Any New Year's resolutions on my half? No. Like, being happy, trying to be more happy. Definitely had some dark times last year, just like mentally and stuff. Just trying to be like more positive and more like optimistic about things. Sometimes I can be, I say I'm a realist, but sometimes I can be a pessimist at times. I feel like everybody can be. Honestly, 2018 was pretty darn good though, like overall. You know, I passed my first year of university, which is always a good thing. I got into my university of choice for my year abroad. Yes, this bitch is going to LA! I'm going to be changed. LA's going to change me. Like, education-wise, I passed. I don't have any exams or anything, so I don't have to worry about that. I'm just going to take this shade Subtle from the Jeffree Star palette on a fluffy blender brush, which I'm going to just zoom you guys in. I'm still single. Forever single, legit. New Year's resolution is maybe to find someone. I mean, I would be happy to live alone with 10 dogs. Like, that is something which I have carefully considered, or become a nun, even though I don't believe in religion. You know, I could sacrifice some things, my own moral pride. I look so red though on camera, but like I really am not this red. I think it's because I have an overhead light on. But I just want to make sure it's bright enough because I'm in my bedroom. You guys have never seen my bedroom before. I film in my mum's and dad's room. And this is my bedroom, so... Oh, I might do a room tour, but it's really messy, so maybe another day. My second step, I'm just going to do some eyeliner. I'm going to do my cat wing, my famous cat wing, which I feel like I do every single look. Using my favourite NYX Epic thing. I'm going to do it off camera because it takes too long and I get really scared in front of the camera, so I'll be right back. Okay, so my wings are on. I'm about to fly. I'm now just going to move on to my foundation. So my favourite has been the CYO because my skin has been super dry even though I'm combo. But I need just something moisturising, so I'm just going to put that on a beauty blender. Okay, so let's talk about 2018 then. So, good things. I went on holiday with my friends twice, which is a huge deal. I know some people are like, what? Like, how is that a big thing? That is a huge thing. Like, I've never been on holiday without my family before, so this was an exciting, independent time of my life. I went to loads of drag shows, which was lovely, with my great friends. Like, they are so, they love drag as much as me, so we go to loads of drag shows. which has been really fun, like so fun. My friends have just been great this year, like not like they're never great, but like I don't know, I just love them so much. Okay, after I'm done with this, I'm actually just going to set it down because I don't wear concealer. I only really wear concealer on nights out. My thing just broke, that's not fun. So I'm just taking my Laura Mercier powder and on a like duo fiber brush, and I just like put this everywhere. Let's talk about best and worst of 2018. I'm trying to think, there are so many amazing films which came out this year. They were like Black Panther, Avengers Age of Ultron, Avengers 4, Infinity War. I need to see Aquaman actually. Oh, there's the Netflix films like To All the Boys Loved Before, Dumpling, Mowgli. I started watching shows like Killing Eve. Like actually I binge watched that yesterday. I've started watching Gossip Girl. I've watched Entourage. I've watched Drag Race, of course. I'm excited for Game of Thrones to come back. I've watched so many films and I'm really like, oh, I really loved like Bohemian Rhapsody, Crazy Rich Asians. Like I've watched loads of films and I really can't remember, but I have watched a lot and I did enjoy many. One of my biggest disappointments was like Halloween. That one was so disappointing. I don't understand why people like that film. What was it? If you can't make a horror film scary and I'm watching in the cinema, then you should stop what you're doing and make it scary. It was just so predictable. I was like, so he's gonna die. Oh, he died. She's gonna die. Oh, yep, she's dumb. Okay, yep, she's running right towards Michael Myers. Okay. Stupid. Oh, my favourite film was A Star Is Born. Alright, so football was good though. Gotta put some bronzer on. Because it got the whole nation like to come together, and I feel like people were so much more happy. There was a massive heat wave which I was happy about, and it was so hot like I couldn't function. And I love how the Met office were like, stay inside. I'm like, it's so hot, like it's never that hot in England. But I live in the southeast. My goodness, it was so hot. It was really hot. It was too much. It was when it gets to 30 plus degrees, that is too hot for UK. UK peak 28. I've actually been in several arguments and debates with people about gender and sex and gay rights and trans rights and everything like that, and also black rights and minority rights. I am a white cis woman who is straight, so I'm basically like, I have such a privilege, which is unfortunate because I was born into this privilege because of my sex. Well, not even my sex, because women are still restricted, but because I'm white, I get to have these opportunities which other people, even though they're smarter than me, might not get. So I definitely like bringing up white privilege, and it's weird to see what white people say, because because my course is so like, they're so diverse. I explore Native American literature and culture, slavery, Black American, like the Harlem Renaissance, Asian American, Japanese American, like, I'm just putting some blush on. I get to learn a lot of different cultures, and it's so interesting, and it's opened my eyes up to something which I was trapped in a bubble, especially where I live, because where I live it's basically all white people, white middle class, and so it's really exciting to see people's different perspectives and opinions, and it's really refreshing because it enables you to become a more rounded person, really. So I definitely try to be the best ally I can by when people say a comment which can be perceived as being ignorant or judgmental or, you know, prejudiced against someone, I definitely try and combat that opinion. But I try to do it the best way I can, but sometimes the person really doesn't listen. It does become very annoying. I'm just going to put some more settings around. But for people like me or for cis white men, it's all about becoming the best ally you can by spreading positivity and by combating ignorance and by educating people, but not in a very degrading way. Like, sometimes I feel like I'm talking to a brick wall. They're coming back with these opinions and I'm like, how are you still having these opinions in 2019 now? So I feel like 2019 I'm just going to be even more of an ally, like trying to do my best for advocating people's rights and trying to use what my privilege is and use that to help other people, but not in a condescending or patronizing manner. I'm using a really small brush for this highlight. Oh yeah, so that's definitely one of my resolutions, just to trying to be a better person, like spread more message of love. Again, like, this year was so revolutionary for my thoughts of stuff, so hopefully my mind will change. Okay, so aside from trying to help and like spread a message about, you know, differences in gender and sex and stuff like that, I'm not gonna do my eyebrows. I'm like, really strong issues. I'm now gonna use my brow powder. So I'm gonna use my Benefit Browsing. Yeah, because I feel like I've never really discussed things like this on my channel, and I feel like this is the time. This is just what I love. Like, I love exploring different cultures and different perspectives and combating against ignorance, because like I look back at my past and I'm like, wow, I have said some, like, when you're 11 years old or in primary school, you say things which would not be okay to say now, and I'm just like, God, but you didn't know any better. It shows how society changes, and people really need to change with society, otherwise they're going to get caught in the loop. What have I loved makeup wise? Setting spray. Really enjoyed setting spray, just like in general. Like, I really like the collection setting spray, but for Christmas I got the Hangover one, Too Faced one, and the thing broke, so I had to put it in my empty, thankfully it was empty, all-nighter Urban Decay. I really enjoy setting spray. Highlighter, of course. Probably my favourite highlighter was the Doll Beauty one with the it was the lighter shade one. That was definitely my most used for 2018. Eyeshadow palettes, Morphe Jaclyn Hill, love. Oh my god, somebody's calling me. I've been trying to get the freaking James Charles palette and it's taken me so long, and I still haven't got it because I'm waiting for it on Cult Beauty, and it's like, add it to your wish list, and I'm like, oh my god, come on, just stop the darn thing. Oh, so irritating. Okay, I'm gonna use mascara. Other beauty, Jeffree Star Mannequin liquid lipstick was my most loved, and currently I'm living for the Topshop lip glosses. They're beautiful, shimmery, just everything you'd want in a lip gloss, really. Not sticky, moisturising, actually have colour payoff, it's not just Vaseline. And lipstick wise, I'm going to take my Laura Mercier lipstick in the shade Rosewood. You just take any like nudie pink, and yeah, put this on. I haven't worn this in a while. I bought it, I feel like I felt pressure into buying it, because I used to work in retail in a department store, and I felt very pressured into it. So that is my finished look. I am here. This is legit my uni day, like every day. Some, like, most of the time I wouldn't put on a lipstick, but for you guys I thought I'll put on lipstick. 2018 has been great. There have been some lows, but many highs, and I'm excited to go into the new year. Hopefully I'm going to be back on YouTube. I did get really lazy over the Christmas period. I'm very sorry. but hopefully my editing software gets back on track and fixes itself. So hopefully it'll be fine. So if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Make sure to check out my Instagram and Twitter, which I will link down in the description box below, so make sure you check them out. They are great places. Make sure to check out my other video, which was from like 3 months ago. I'm so sorry, but I will also link that in my description box as well. I hope you guys are having a great new year and had a great Christmas, and hopefully I will see you soon. Bye.